Welcome to Birgit's Diary. And this is my husband Grant. We live in a small country town in Ontario. We are both retired and like to travel in near places and also in faraway places. So come along and join us on our journeys. And sometimes we like to share our recipes with you. Well, good morning, everyone. This morning, my husband and I were going to a small town called Palmerston, and there we're going to visit a market. It's really quaint, and I'm going to show you around. This market is located on a Railway Heritage Museum, which is right beside Lions Heritage Park. Here on the left, you can see a large walkover bridge, and the market is located right at the train station museum. Here are some lovely horses, and they are coming with the Mennonite coach. And they are so beautiful. I'm going up a little closer, but I don't want to get too close. I don't want to scare them. And that is the coach that the horses were pulling. There are some Mennonites at the market, and right now we're going to look at the market, and here are some interesting crafts that someone is selling, of course handmade. And here someone is selling some clothes and jewelry. And here's a stand with baked goods. And here's some lovely flowers and also some vegetables. So let's have a look at this old train station. Apparently it was functioning till the 1960s. The Palmerston train station used to be a railway hub. So now let's go inside the museum. So here inside they built a miniature train station similar to the way it used to be years ago. The conductors' uniforms were modeled after military police uniforms to give a sense of authority to the station. Beside this young man is a ladies' waiting room, and I'm going to read what's on this bulletin. It says, before trains, people would have to travel by stagecoach to another town or city, which was a lengthy and potentially dangerous trip. There was minimal upkeep to the roads, which heightened the possibility of crashing. Furthermore, no communication could be had while they were on their journey. Then railways were introduced. Husbands and fathers were encouraged to allow their wives or daughters to travel by rail because of the timetables and the appearance of security presence of conductors. Furthermore, across North America, railways were adding separate faculties for women. The Grand Trunk Railway followed this innovation by constructing a ladies' waiting room during the 1909 renovation. The women had their own separate washroom, a baby change table, and it was considered a smoke-free area to make women feel safe. And the room was positioned directly across from the ticket gate so it could be easily seen by the station master. Here you can see some pieces from back then. Very interesting to look at. Look at that beautiful watch. I wonder what's inside the wooden box. And there are eggs inside. Now I'm going outside to look at the whole train coach. It actually looks like a huge wooden trailer.
This is really neat.
Queen's Hotel, 1962. So there was actually a hotel around here? I'm going to go up these stairs and have a closer look. Maybe I can go inside one of these train coaches. The doors are locked and I can't go inside, but this is so interesting to look at. Just think, this is like over 100 years old. And right beside this train station is the Lions Heritage Park. They planted beautiful flowers and you can walk around in the park, and also sometimes there are some events going on in the park. Again, you can see this all in the small town Palmerston. We are back on the road and we're going to a country bakery which is situated at 6012 Perth Line 88. Fresh Start Bakery, coffee and a donut $2. That's a great deal. Now we're going to go inside and have a look at this bakery. They even have maple syrup. Nice cookies.
Dutch apple pie.
I don't know. I'll take a look in a minute.
Cool stuff.
What's $1 each?
So we're going to have the coffee and donut deal and go outside.
What did you want? How much are these?
Like it's the same ones that we put on some of the cupcakes.
I bought mine. You want a price? How much is a small cup of coffee?
So I'm really enjoying my $2 donut and tea. You can also have coffee, but I prefer tea. And it's really enjoyable to sit out here in the beautiful weather that we have right now in Canada.
And look at that.
I did that already.
And there she is again. And here's this. This is what it looks like where we are, out in the country.
So now we're going to the PV Mart, which is a country hardware store. You might be surprised what you find in a country hardware store. Look at those cute baby chicks. In this store you'll find all kinds of animal food supplies to feed your sheep or cows or whatever animals you have, and also containers where you can put the food in, and yeah, sort of everything a farmer needs for his farm. And this bottle, I think, is to feed the baby horse or baby sheep. I'm not sure. So you can also get dog food here. I guess farmers also have dogs, of course. And here's a really neat tractor and also a lawnmower tractor. And they have for children something special. Toy animals, aren't they cute? We are finally on the way home, and in this area there are a lot of Mennonite farmers, and they travel on the road with horse and carriage. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and maybe I have encouraged you to take a trip out to Palmerston. Before I leave, I just want to say hi to my German friends and family, and thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. That would really help this channel grow. And I'll see you in the next video.